As you saw the title, today I am going to share you Saudi Pro Matric exam pattern. There are total 100 questions will come, and these will be 100 MCQs, and there will be no negative marking. And if we will see categories, from safety and quality control there will be 8 questions. From bacteriology there will be 15 questions. From virology there will be 7 questions. From immunology there will be 7 questions. From parasitology there will be 7 questions. From hematology there will be 13 questions. From blood banking there will be 13 questions. From biochemistry there will be 18 questions. From hormones there will be 5 questions. From urine analysis there will be 3 questions, and from mycology there will be 4 questions. And total there will be 100 questions. And to pass this exam you need more than 60% marks. And one more thing, total, as you can see, there are subjects basically microbiology, hematology, biochemistry and blood banking. These are the 4 major subjects from which all the questions are coming. But one more thing, for pro matric exam related to all Gulf countries, as we know, first written pro matric exam need to pass. But first you have to be know that thing also, that only to pro matric exam passing is not enough to get the job in Gulf countries. First you have to pass this pro matric exam either in your country, or when you will reach to that Gulf country you can give that exam. Second thing, you have to pass the interview also. If you will pass the exam and interview, then only you are able to get the license, and then you can start the job. And there are 2 opportunities to pass the interview. If first time you will not pass the interview, you have one more chance to give again that interview, and hopefully you can pass that interview in second chance. But you must keep in your mind that pro matric exam is not enough to start the job. Pro matric exam plus interview, these both are needed to pass, then only you can start job in Gulf countries. So this is the pattern for Saudi Commission for Health Specialties and for lab technician. So I hope you understand that how many questions coming from how many subjects. Until that, I will meet you with new video, new lecture. Until that, take care of yourself. Thank you so much.